What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle. And as you can see, I just bought a brand new iPad from the Apple Store today, and I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna show you the setup and everything right now. So let's carry on. So the plastic layer has been taken out, and I'm going to open it up. So the iPad has been taken out of the box. Here's the iPad. Let me just show you guys the back. Brand new. So look at the cover up over here, and down here we see the what do you call it, the power adapter and the cable over here, and that's the manual. Alright, so the plastic cover has been taken out. Looks good, looks white, so I'm not happy. I just turned on the iPad here and see what happens now. Oh, hello, hola. Press home to open. Ah, okay, I missed that. Alright, so we're gonna choose English. Canada, no, not US, no, no, go back. Canada, choose another network. What network? Wi-Fi, okay. I gotta choose my network. Is the first one up here? Oh, not the second one, bro. The first one here. 5B0. Okay. The password. I gotta enter the password. So just give me one moment, alright? Okay, so the Wi-Fi has been activated. So the next screen is talking about location services. I am not going to enable the location services, so just gonna disable for now. It talks about all these things. Just press OK. You can activate it later. You can enable location services later. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, it wants Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to what does it say? Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID password for purchase. Okay, continue setup Touch ID later. Okay, let's just see what happens if you wanna continue. Okay, continue. So place your finger. It's a complete. That's nice. Alright, so let's continue now. Create a passcode. Okay, what's my password? It's gonna be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like it's a 6-digit this time. I'm usually familiar with only 4 digits. Okay, I guess time has passed since I got my last iPad. Okay, let me enter my passcode here. Common passcode, and this showed up. It says, "Are you sure you want to use this code? This code is commonly used and can be easily guessed." Okay, so let's change this code. Okay, press change and give me one moment. Oh, let me just punch it in now. Let me just look at it first so that I don't forget. I re-entered it in apps and data. Restore from my cloud backup. Restore from my iTunes backup and all those things. I don't want to do any of these, so set up as new iPad. I think that's what I want to do. Okay, so let's set up as new iPad. Let's press there, see what happens. Apple ID, sign in with your Apple ID and all those things. I use different Apple IDs for iTunes. Okay. I don't want to sign in, to be honest with you, but okay, let's just try. Let's give it a shot. So let's see what happens. Okay, let me sign in, guys. Give me one moment. Alright, so I punch in my Apple ID and password, and it gives me this page, terms and conditions. You know what's gonna happen now. You're gonna agree now. uh, Everybody's gonna do the same thing, and they say it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, so this is what showed up next. It gives you this, and they want you to spend money. No question about it. Okay, let's go next now. So here, add card. Okay, damn, bro. No, 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 no. I am not adding my card and security code. Okay, so I press next and it wants me to add my security code and everything for my card, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just set up later in settings. Okay, where is it? Right here. So iCloud keychain and everything. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, just continue. Not interested. Passcode is iCloud security code. What does it say? Your iCloud security code can be used to set up iCloud keychain on a new. Did I use? But I use different. Okay, just go with use passcode. Use passcode. Okay. Phone number. Now they want me to. They want me to write down my phone number. God damn it! Man, why is this so difficult? Okay, so I entered my phone number and this is what showed up. It's talking about Siri. Sure, I'm gonna use Siri. Not a problem. Continue. Right, analytics. Oh my god, all these things. Like, yeah, sure. I'm gonna share analytics with Apple. App analytics. Share with app developers. Why not? Eh? Welcome to iPad. Oh my god. Now finally. Okay. Get started. Okay, let's get started.